I'm a real estate appraiser, and I've been active since 1986. I heard about an option, Rockport VAL, in 2019, and a few of my clients were strongly considering making a move. As these banks, my clients, began to implement the use of Rockport VAL, we went along with them. We find that with Rockport VAL, you can do a lot more than just DCF, and it produces very credible results. You can do some of these things with Excel, but having multiple files, not talking to each other, and tracking it over time, it becomes inefficient. What I look for in companies, it's all about the people and the culture. In business, it's important to have a culture where your people can thrive, where your brand is known, where you can be respected for what you stand on. So I look at culture, especially when partnering. I want to know that they have the right kind of people and the right kind of culture, and I found that with Rockport VAL, they do. The people that come are the people that I want to be with. And I've been in business, since 1986, so that's a very long time. It's the community that I call home. I appreciate every person and the work they do at Rockport. The integrity of the software and the output from the software is critical. Knowing that it's built with integrity and the outputs can be trusted are a key thing for me, and I think all appraisers. The support team is phenomenal. The user interface is well laid out. You can find anything very quickly. I think that the people that are the face of the organization or the people that you interact with in an organization matter. Yeah, I'm happy to have these connections with the people at Rockport VAL.